Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon reviews not showing up. This is a common frustration many shoppers face when they take the time to write a review, only to find it never appears on the product page. Let's walk through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign in with your credentials to access your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the menu bar, and from the drop-down that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. Now scroll down the page until you locate a section labeled Your Content and click on it. This area houses all the content you've created on Amazon, including reviews, questions, and answers. Once you're in, click on Create Content, then select Review from the options presented. This is where you can view all your submitted reviews and their current status. Before we proceed, let's address some of the common reasons why your review might be missing. It could still be under moderation, flagged by Amazon's system. Your account might not be trusted yet. It might not be from a verified purchase, or there could be policy violations. Amazon has strict guidelines to prevent fake or inappropriate reviews, so understanding these reasons is crucial. Even though I don't have any reviews in this account, I'll show you the next steps you need to take. First, check whether your review is marked as published in your account. This is important because sometimes a review shows as published in your profile but doesn't appear publicly on the product page. Next, open the product page directly and confirm that you actually used the product's review section, not the seller feedback area. These are two completely different features. Reviews are for the product itself, while seller feedback is for the seller's service. It's a common mistake that can cause confusion about where your review went. If your review is still new, you'll need to exercise some patience. Wait 24 to 72 hours for Amazon's automated systems to process and approve your review. During this time, Amazon checks the content against their community guidelines and spam filters. It's a waiting game, but it's necessary for maintaining review quality. If your review still doesn't appear after the waiting period, take a closer look at what you wrote. Edit the review if it contains promotional text, personal information, or anything that may trigger Amazon's content filters. Things like mentioning competitor products, including email addresses, or using excessive capitalization can all cause problems. Finally, if your review shows as published in your account but remains missing from the public product page after all these checks, it's time to contact Amazon support directly. When you reach out, provide them with the ASIN, which is the product's unique identifier, your review date, and a screenshot showing the review is published in your account. This documentation will help their support team investigate the issue more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.